Yo, check. Hey yo, what's up? My name is Stanley Teach, and I'm here today to explain to you how to play Risk. How much when you will run? Yeah, I will teach you how to play Risk by FKJ, and I will check it. Wait. Bass, yeah, FKJ and Bass, Risk. So this song is very vibey. The first time I heard this guitar, I was like, this is pitch shift or something. You can tell that my English kind of sucks, but I don't mind about that. I'm practicing, and yes, don't, please. Yeah, the note was right there. This song is very vibey, and to catch that vibe, you need to slide. The first position is this kind of zigzaggy shape. Okay, the shape is right there. It's in the 9 and 10th frets. But the thing is, you kind of start the shape over here somewhere, and then do a hard slide to the 10th fret and 9th fret, like. With these three fingers, you're going to play 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th string, 2nd string, 4th string, yeah. So you slide. Okay, so 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. This is the vibe, okay? But read the tabs over there and just vibe with it. And then you'll do exactly the same shape, but here in the 11 and 12. Okay, then you do this kind of lick, this cool lick, okay? Yeah, it's in the tabs, okay? So you do an hammer on in the 2nd string from the 7th to the 8th and pull off, and then 9th fret 3rd string 2 times in the 7th fret 3rd string. So and then, yeah, sometimes I forget. Yes, something, somehow. So if you enjoyed this lesson, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and let's be happy. Yes, if you have any suggestions, please comment in the box below telling what song should I do next. I'm running out of ideas, please help. So if you're still there, I want to tell you that I love you so much, and I'm glad you stopped by my video to watch it. So please subscribe to my channel, comment below, add me on Instagram please, and let's be friends. Bye.
Teach.